stuff.
Hi, my name's Ruby.
My name's Lena.
My name's Charlotte.
We made a secret knock gumball machine. When you knock, either it gives you a red light or a green light, and that means either it's right or wrong.
What's the secret?
We got it from Make Magazine. It told us to put in shave and haircut just for a tester. And so today, since we have so many gumballs, we decided to keep it on that.
Are there any things that you young makers are thinking about building next?
Well, we had this idea to make a car that looks like a camel, like a camel car.